Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Meghalaya State Judicial Academy haka arpsan trek mentabna jembang arajar kat kendai. Kala pelong ya ke Ïathir ke bashi sngi, Halor ke hok Jingïada bat banri ban Sumar ki Khynnah kat kum ka kendon jong ka an the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children's Act. Hakani ke Ïathir ke bashi sngi, ka balalong ha Conference Hall jong ka Meghalaya High Court, unong bishar buran buram jong ka Meghalaya High Court u Justice Muhammad Yakub Mir. Ubalong ru Patron-in-Chief jong ka Meghalaya State Judicial Academy ulalong ukongsan ringkat ke jiran lang unong bishar ka Meghalaya High Court uba HS thank you but ubalong ru unong pej nongkmi ya ka seng Meghalaya State Judicial Academy kiwede kibladan lang kantop ya ka chairperson jong ka State Commission for Protection of Child Rights ikong mina kharkongor bat kiwe unong bishar Muhammad Yakub Mir habakren ko mukongsan hakani kasngi ulong ba ki Khynnah kidai kalawai jong kari bat lada sandor bha bat yada ya ko hok jong ki Khynnah nadu basdang kinsala ban no senyang shibon ya ko Ïathir jong ka emlang salang hakari India hi borkowe kiwei pat kibla ajingkren hakani kasngi ki kentop ya ka kong mina kharkongor u Miguel Kuya u executive director ka Utsaf u Surendra Kumar u IGP katnat CID Assam Kakong Banda Risha Karluki Kabami Khmat Naka Kanhon JMFC.
As we all know, juvenile. Why so much focus on the juvenility? Why so much of sensitization about the reformation of the juveniles? First thing we must bear in mind, today's juvenile is the future of the country. If we are able to shape him right from the beginning, we will expect that he will contribute in a big manner. And if we slip anywhere, his tender understanding, his mature understanding, if not shaped in right direction, he can be a mischief monger, a troubleshooter. And you know, one troubleshooter is enough to create trouble in a huge area. If we trace the history, why these juveniles are to be taken care of? Purpose, object is quite evident, to shape them best citizens. It is when all around throughout the globe it was noticed that there are violation of certain protections available to the children. Various declarations were made at international level. You all must be aware about those declarations and covenants to which India is also the signatory. And thereafter, various laws have been legislated. But by the passage of the time, new challenges were faced. With new challenges, every time there was scope for amending the laws so as to bring it to a level to cater to the need and the challenging times. The latest law on the subject is the Juvenile Justice Care Protection Act 2015. That too has a background and history why abruptly there was total shift. In this context, my experience is while sitting in Meghalaya for last 1 year, we have seen certain young boys of immature understanding choosing a bad path. They take drugs, they take drinks, and see the result. Their sight is totally devastated. Their families are also disturbed. This child chairperson, child protection, Miss Halor has been on forefront all along because we have been receiving inputs from her as to what is happening to the children and they are not being given proper care. And when we have juvenile homes, reformatory homes, but what was expected from those homes is not being done. The result is that while going to juvenile homes, they are again going they are pushed to a different atmosphere. Anyway, that is a matter which is being monitored on the judicial side. From people who take drugs, we learn to take drugs from people. We make bombs, we learn to make bombs, and that is what we will learn when you send us to jail. So, if you send us to jail, we will become like adults. In this context, why there was a separation? Adult criminals and juvenile criminals. To avoid such contact of the juveniles with the hardened hardcore criminals sitting in the jail, keeping them together, what they will inherit, they will definitely imbibe what adult criminals will be doing in the jails. Then this concept was evolved, how to take care of these children who are in conflict with law, how to bring them back into the mainstream, and in case we will keep them with the adults, it will be beyond our control to get them back into the mainstream. So essence of these acts and legislations is to not to punish the juvenile, is to bring them back into the society. So in essence, reformative approach has to be had. That is why state has a parentis patriae role, and they are having the constitutional responsibility as a welfare state to take all steps, whatever required at whatever levels, to ensure that our juveniles are treated in a manner so that they will not again become, in the future they will not become hardened